Hello everyone, let's learn today's Chinese character.
虎
Please watch my mouth shape for pronunciation.
虎 h 五虎虎老虎老虎老虎是森林之王，老虎是森林之王。壁虎壁虎墙上有一只壁虎，墙上有一只壁虎。虎将虎将这位将军是一员虎将。这位将军是一员虎将。
Next, let's see how to write this Chinese character. Practice writing more, and you will get better gradually. The character we learned today means tiger. The tiger is the king of beasts, symbolizing bravery, majesty, and strength. It is also one of the Chinese zodiac animals. This part should be written bigger and higher. The final finishing stroke has a curve, and you should lift the pen quickly. See you next class. Remember to practice more.